Today we're at Memorial Park. Got KO, got Tiny, got Crody doing a video shoot, photo shoot for the house, and Been Thrifty. All right, now the other outfit. Oh, we can go to the skate park area.
So there's some dope spots that you can post up at.
So I just finished the photo shoot with KO and Crow. I'm at Sonic. I'm thirsty as hell. It is freaking 82 degrees outside today. It's a beautiful day, so I'm glad I chose today to do the shoot. But I'm at Sonic now. I'm gonna get some cherry limeades for me and Bradley, then head to the house and work on some customs. I got a pop-up on April 26th, so just about every day I've been working on stuff, and we're 90% moved out the studio. I just got a table there, my sewing machine. We got this 3-tier container with our photography stuff, and I have, what else? This armoire that has all my blank jeans and stuff, and we'll officially be at the mall, and this month we'll focus on organizing everything and cross fingers have a grand opening in May. But I'm really excited about it. Me and Chelsea finally having the proper space for our nonprofit and a studio space for us to create, and I'm really excited about that. So dang, the person in front of me just now about to take their order. But yeah, I'll drop some photos and some video clips after this of the video shoot and photos. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I've been wanting to get more pictures of my upcycle wearable art on body, because yes, I take the flat lay pics for my website, but I want people to be able to see them on body, and as far as content, making it relatable. So this shoot was with KO and his son, and it's so cute. I think y'all are gonna like the footage. But yeah, check out the clips.
Good job. There you go. There it is. Good job, Papa. Yeah.
That's a good picture. All right. Come on.
Come on, man.
Where are you going? Come on. Where are you going? Oh. Shout out the old.
Here, let me see. Here, Crow. Huh. You see what's crazy? It's like we want him to move around now, and so he's not gonna. Isn't that crazy? You see how that works?
Gotcha. Oh, pick him up, pick him up.
God damn. God damn it.
Oh my God.